Do you want to create an outstanding resume that stands out from the crowd? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of resume building, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, every resume starts with your contact information. It may seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to include their phone number or email address. Make sure to provide a professional email address. Your quirky or humorous email might not create the best impression. Secondly, pen down a compelling objective or summary. This is your elevator pitch, your opportunity to sell yourself in 2 to 3 sentences. Make sure it's tailored to the job you're applying for and highlights your most relevant skills and experiences. Thirdly, list your work experience in reverse chronological order. This means you start with your most recent job and work your way backwards. For each job, include your title, the company name, the dates you worked there, and a summary of your responsibilities and achievements. Next, let's talk about education. If you're a recent graduate, your education section will be more prominent. If you've been in the workforce for a number of years, your education section should be brief and to the point. Now, on to skills. This is where you can really shine. List any skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for. These could be technical skills like proficiency in a certain software, or soft skills like communication or leadership. Finally, references. While it's common to simply write references available upon request, it's much more effective to actually include a couple of references who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. So to summarize, an outstanding resume includes your contact information, a compelling objective or summary, your work experience in reverse chronological order, your education, relevant skills, and references. Remember, your resume is a marketing tool. It's your chance to showcase your skills and experiences and to convince potential employers that you're the best candidate for the job. So make sure it's well organized, free of typos and errors, and tailored to the job you're applying for. Creating a resume might seem daunting, but with these tips, you're well on your way to crafting a resume that stands out from the crowd. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Until next time, keep making strides towards your career goals.